My dear students, welcome to the learning platform of Annant Gyan Knowledge and Skills Private Limited. Today I am just going to explain how we shall utilize the Vedic Mathematics to multiply any numbers with any number, and we shall get the answer in single line. So I shall explain the next sutra, that is Urdhrigyavya. With the help of this sutra, we shall get the result uh, quickly. So I shall show you how this particular Urdhrigyabhyam Sutra that will be very much useful and effective to get the answer quickly. So please, I shall give you some examples to get the answer with the help of this sutra. So the first example is, I shall take two-digit numbers and we shall multiply this two-digit number with two-digit number. So any number that is 75, or then we shall multiply this 75 with 67. In this, so how we shall get the answer quickly with the help of this sutra, I shall show you. The first one is, in first step, we shall multiply these both unit place numbers together. So 7 into 5, we shall write this 7 into 5, that is 35. I shall write this 35 here. And in second step, what we shall do is, we shall multiply the 10th place of this number with the unit place of this number, and we shall multiply the unit place of the first number with 10th place of the second number. So cross multiplication that will be there. So 7 into 7, that is 49. 49, we shall write or we shall remember this 49 plus 6 into 5, that is 30. So it becomes 79. I shall write 79 here. In next step, what we shall do? This 67. In next step, we shall multiply both 10th place numbers together. So 7 into 6. So it is 42. I shall write 42. The final answer we shall get from this result. So from result of this right hand side, that is 35, from this 35 we shall get 5 and 3 that will be carried over. So 79 plus 3, that is 82. From the 82 we shall write 2 here, and 8 that is carry for the next. 8 plus this 42 is 50. The answer is 5020. So we shall verify this one, how we are getting this result, that is 5025. So we shall take this 75 into 67. So first 7 5s are 35, 5, and then 3 that will be there. So 7 7s are 49 plus 3, that is 52. We shall write 52 here. 6 5s are 30. We shall write 0 here, and 3 that is carry for the next. 6 7s are 42 plus 3, that is 45. So just add this one, 5, this is 2, this is 10, 0, and 4 1 5. So both answers are same. So there are 3 steps we shall get this particular answers. So in first step, what we shall do? In the first step, so in the first step, we shall multiply the unit place number. So I shall take, this is A, B is the first number, 2-digit number, and X, Y is the second 2-digit number. So in these 3 steps, I shall write A, B, X, Y. A, B and X, Y. In the first step, what we shall do? We shall multiply both unit place numbers together. So it becomes B, Y. In second step, we shall go through the cross multiplication and finally we shall get the result. So it is AY plus BX. In the last step, we shall multiply both 10th place numbers together. So it is AX. So with the help of this, we shall get, this is A, this is B, this is X, this is Y, and we are getting this AX, this is AY plus BX. So in the middle and in the right hand side of the result is BY. This is the formula to get the answer of any 2-digit numbers, multiplication of 2-digit numbers with 2-digit numbers in a single line. So this formula we shall use to multiply any number. So this formula you can learn by proper practice. So the first we shall multiply both unit place numbers together, and second we shall cross multiplication that will be there. So we shall multiply the 10th place of the first number with the unit place of the second number, and 10th place of the second number with the unit place of the first number, and we shall add both and we shall get the result in the second step. And third step, we shall multiply both 10th place number together and finally we shall get the result. So similarly we shall perform this the second example. We shall multiply the 3-digit numbers with 3-digit numbers and we shall get the answer. I shall show you how we shall get. We shall multiply the 3-digit numbers together. So the first I shall show you. This is A, B, C is the first 3-digit number. X, Y, Z is the second 3-digit number. Similarly, we shall write this here. A, B, C, the first. X, Y, Z is the second. In the first step, we shall multiply both unit place numbers together. So it becomes C, Z. In the next step, this is A, B, C, X, Y, Z. In the next step, we shall multiply the cross multiplication of this 10th place number with the unit place number, and the 10th place of the second number and unit place of the first number. So, and we shall add it. So, it is BZ plus CY in the second step. In third step, this is A, B, C, X, Y, Z. In third step, we shall multiply the 100 place of the first number with the unit place of the second number, and similarly 100 place of the second number with the unit place of the first number, and then the 10th place of the first number, 10th place of the second number. So we shall get the result like this: AZ plus CX plus BY. So this is the third step. In the fourth step, we shall multiply this A with Y and B with X, and we shall write this is AY plus BX. And the last step, this is the last step, A, B, C, X, Y, Z. In this last step, we shall multiply both 100 base numbers together. So it becomes AX. And finally, we shall get this A, B, C, X, Y, Z. That is, if we multiply both numbers, we shall get the answer like this. This is AX, second one is the AY plus BX, third one is AZ plus CX plus BY, and fourth one is BZ plus CY, and fifth one is CZ. So this, with the help of these 5 steps, we shall get the answer of 3-digit multiplication. So let us take an example to get the answer in a single line. Seven, 6, 3, 2, 3, 1. So this is the number. How we shall get the answer of this number in a single line? The first one is the C Z. So this is 3 into 1. We shall write 3. In the second step, we shall multiply this cross multiplication that will be there. 6 into 1, that is 6. Plus 3 into 3, 9, 9 plus 6, that is 15. We shall write this 15 here. In the third step, we shall multiply this 7 into 1, 7, 3 into 2, 7 plus 6, that is 13, 13 plus 6 into 3, that is 18, 13 plus 18, 13 plus 12 plus 18, that is 30, 30 and 31. So 13 plus 18 is 31. And fourth step is 7 into 3, that is 21. 21 plus 6 into 2, 12. 21 plus 10, that is 31. 31 plus 2, that is 33. And next step is 7 into 2, it is 40. So I shall write this one. So we shall write the result from this. The first is 3, the unit place is 3, and second one is 15. From this 15 I shall take this 5, and 1 that will be carried for next. 31 plus 1, 32, we shall take 2 from this 31, and we shall take this 3 as a carry for next. So 33 plus 3, that is 36, so we shall write 6 here, and 3 that will be carried for next. So 3 plus 14. So finally we shall get this answer. 176253. We shall verify this answer by multiplication of these two numbers. So 7, 6, 3 into 2, 3, 1. We shall multiply these two numbers. 3 into 1, it is 3. 6 into 1, it is 6. 7 into 1, it is 7. 3 3 is 9. 18, 1 that will be carry for the next 22. The second 6, 2, 1 that will be carry. It is 50. We should add this one. It is 3, 9, 6, 15, 5, 1 carry. 7, 1, 8, 8, 8, 16. 16 plus 6, 22. 22, 2, 2 that will be carry for the next. 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is 6. And 5 plus 2 is 7. And this 1. I think this 176253, it is 176253. Both answers are same. So we shall get this particular value in a single step by with the help of this Urdhva Sutra. Similarly, we shall multiply any digit numbers with any digit numbers with the help of this Urdhva Sutra. I shall show you. Now I am taking this is a 5-digit number. So this is another 5-digit number. So I shall take this one, this 3, it is 2. So we shall simplify this one. Right. I am just showing the how we are getting the answer of this 5-digit numbers together. The first step, we shall multiply this both unit place numbers together. 3 into 2, it is 6. I shall write 6 here. In this next step, the 10th place into this unit place, and this 10th place into this unit place. The 5 into 2, 10. 10 plus 9, it is 90. So I shall write 90. And the third step, 1 into 2. That is 2. 2 plus 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. And 5 into 3 is 15. 15 plus that 8. That is 20. So I shall write 20. And the next step, it is from here. 2 into 2, 4. 4 plus 3 plus 3. 4 plus 3, 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus this 5 or 5 into 2, that is 10. 10 plus 10, that is 20. I shall write 20. In the last step, this is 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus this 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus this 3, 2 into 3, 6. 12 plus 6, that is 18. 18 plus 1 into 5, 5. 18 plus 5, it is 22. 18 plus 5, that is 23. 23 plus 2 into 1. 23 plus 2. This is 25. I shall write 25. In the next step, 3 into 3, 9. 9 into 10. 9 into plus 10. 9 plus 10, that is 19. 19 plus 4. 23. 23 plus 1. It is 20. In the second last step, this is 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. I shall write 10 here. And this is 3 plus 4, 7. this is 6. And this will provide you the final answer, this question. So, I shall write this answer here. The first, we shall take answer from the right hand side. So 6, the second one is 9, and 1 that will be carried for the next. So 23 plus 1, 24, we shall write 4, and 2 that will be carried for the next. So 20 plus 2, that is 22. So again 2 that will be carried for the next. So 25 plus 2, 27, I shall write 7 here, and 2 that will be carried for the next. 24 or 2, 26, we shall take 2 for the next. 10 plus 2, 12, I shall write 2, and 1 that will be carried for the next. This is 7 plus 1, 8, and this is 6. And finally we shall get the answer is 6, 8, 2, 6, 7, 2, 4, 9, 6. This is our final answer. So, the 5-digit multiplication is possible in a single line. So, this is the example of this Uruthrikya. We shall multiply any digit numbers with any digit numbers together in a single line, and we shall get the answer. So this is the magical and logical power of Vedic mathematics. We can get the answer in single line. Thank you very much.